1. Ubtech Walker S2. World's first humanoid robot with autonomous battery swapping. 2. Ubtech Walker S2. World's first 24/7 humanoid robot with auto battery swap. 1. Ubtech Walker S2. World's first humanoid robot with autonomous battery swapping. Imagine a world where robots never stop working. Not for meals, naps, or bathroom breaks. Sounds like science fiction, right? But here's the twist. The real challenge isn't convincing robots to work 24/7. It's convincing them to keep doing it without human intervention. Enter Ubtech's latest innovation, a humanoid robot that swaps its own batteries. But here's where it gets controversial. Does this mark the end of robot maintenance jobs as we know them? Let's unpack the tech, the implications, and the questions it raises. Industrial robots are often touted for their tireless efficiency. Unlike humans, they don't need coffee breaks or sleep. In theory, they could work non-stop. But in practice, downtime is inevitable. Power limitations, software glitches, and mechanical failures all force robots to the sidelines. Now, picture a robot that not only handles complex tasks but also recharges itself. That's the promise of hot swappable batteries. Power packs that can be swapped without shutting down the system. The catch? Who does the swapping? Will factories soon need a new category of workers? Humanoid battery technicians? Or will robots simply teach themselves to do the job? Ubtech, a Chinese robotics company, thinks the answer is clear. At a recent event in Minneapolis, Ubtech unveiled the Walker S2, a humanoid robot that autonomously swaps its own batteries. A video released by the company shows the robot walking to a charging station, rotating its body, and delicately removing a battery from its back. It places the depleted battery in a charging slot, retrieves a fresh one and inserts it, all while keeping one power pack active to avoid a system shutdown. This self-sustaining design could revolutionize industries where uptime is critical, from manufacturing to logistics. Ubtech, founded in Shenzhen, a global hub for manufacturing, has long focused on consumer gadgets like robotic vacuums and toys. But as the humanoid robot market explodes, the company is shifting gears. The Walker S2 isn't just a technical marvel. It's a statement. It signals a future where robots aren't just tools but co-workers capable of maintaining themselves. Yet this raises a provocative question. If robots can manage their own maintenance, what does that mean for human jobs? Are we witnessing the birth of a new era of automation? Or the erosion of roles we haven't even considered yet? Share your thoughts in the comments. Is this a leap forward, or a step too far? 2. Ubtech Walker S2. World's first 24/7 humanoid robot with auto battery swap. Imagine a world where robots never sleep, literally. That's the groundbreaking reality Ubtech, a pioneering Chinese humanoid robot manufacturer, is introducing to the world. Their latest creation, the Walker S2, doesn't just work tirelessly. It can swap its own batteries autonomously, ensuring uninterrupted operation 24/7. But here's where it gets fascinating. This isn't just about convenience, it's about redefining efficiency in industrial robotics. Headquartered in Shenzhen, Ubtech Robotics made headlines on July 17, 2025, by unveiling the Walker S2, which they claim is the first humanoid robot capable of battery swapping without shutting down. In a video demonstration, the robot showcased its ability to complete the entire battery replacement process within 3 minutes, all without human intervention. This plug-and-play system seems almost too futuristic, but it's very much real. So, what makes this technology so revolutionary? For starters, the Walker S2 is equipped with dual battery power balancing technology and uses standardized battery modules. This means that if the primary battery fails, the backup kicks in seamlessly, ensuring critical tasks aren't interrupted. Imagine an assembly line where downtime is virtually eliminated. This could be transformative for industries like manufacturing or logistics. But wait, there's more. The autonomous battery swap feature allows the robot to decide dynamically whether to recharge or replace its battery based on task priorities. This dynamic energy management not only ensures continuous operational capability, but also reduces human maintenance costs significantly. It's like having a self-sufficient worker who knows exactly when to refuel or recharge to maximize productivity. Now, let's talk about real-world applications because this is where things get even more interesting. Companies like NIO, Zeekr, and BYD have already tested Ubtech as humanoid robots on their production lines. Take NIO, for example. Known for its innovative approach to electric vehicles (EVs), NIO has implemented battery swap stations for its cars, a strategy that allows drivers to quickly exchange depleted batteries for fully charged ones. Now, Ubtech is bringing that same concept to humanoid robots. William Lee, NIO's CEO, mentioned how robotic quality inspectors at NIO's F2 factory are performing exceptionally well across various operations. This marks another milestone in Ubtech's journey as a leader in intelligent service robots and humanoid robotics. Founded in March 2012, the company went public on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange on December 29, 2023, becoming the first humanoid robot manufacturer to do so. Just months later, in February 2024, Ubtech demonstrated its Walker S robot working on an assembly line at a NIO factory. This was the first time the robot had been deployed for training in a new energy vehicle, NEV factory, an exciting development for both companies. And this is the part most people miss. The implications of such advancements stretch far beyond factory floors. Autonomous battery swapping could pave the way for robots to assist in disaster zones, hospitals, or even households, maintaining performance levels regardless of external conditions. However, not everyone might agree on the ethical considerations surrounding increasingly autonomous machines. Should we embrace these innovations wholeheartedly, or should we proceed cautiously? What safeguards need to be in place? As we marvel at the possibilities, one thing is clear. Ubtech's Walker S2 represents a bold step forward in robotics technology. But where does humanity draw the line between innovation and responsibility? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the future of humanoid robots? Or do you think we're moving too fast?